Aide is an open-source, AI-driven integrated development environment (IDE) crafted to boost developers' efficiency by embedding AI functionalities directly into the coding workflow. Originating as a fork of Visual Studio Code (VS Code), Aide utilizes sophisticated AI models to aid developers in tasks such as code completion, debugging, and intricate code refactoring. A notable feature of Aide is its proactive agent, which can recommend solutions or alert developers to missing files based on the code's context. This agent employs tools like linters and the Language Server Protocol (LSP) to address errors and gather pertinent context, thereby simplifying the maintenance and enhancement of code quality. Additionally, Aide facilitates multi-file editing, enabling developers to implement changes across several files without disrupting the overall logic. This capability is especially beneficial for extensive code bases, where modifications in one file may affect others. The IDE maintains lightweight, VS Code-compatible checkpoints, allowing developers to revert to earlier versions if necessary, thus providing them with control over their modifications. To ensure swift access to AI-assisted edits, Aide features a floating widget reminiscent of macOS Spotlight, which can be activated with a straightforward keyboard shortcut. This functionality enables developers to quickly initiate changes for highlighted text, thereby optimizing the coding experience. Aide's local-first design incorporates a binary known as sidecar, which prepares and transmits prompts to AI models while granting access to editor features. This arrangement guarantees that developers retain full control over prompts and responses, with the option to share data under a subscription plan. The IDE also prioritizes deep reasoning, deconstructing larger tasks into smaller, manageable units of work.